most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
Together
therapist.
we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
This video is a part of a series of videos on plantar fasciitis. If you want to see the entire series or look to see what the other videos are in the series, go to bobandbrad.com and go under programs. You'll see plantar fasciitis.
Right. It's not like the World Series.
Not like the World Series, no.
It's the foot series.
Foot series, yeah. Today we're going to talk about different options and methods to massage plantar fasciitis. We showed you in one of the beginning videos how to massage it using your own hands while you're in bed. You know, one method was basically the circular method where you could take your thumbs and make little circles and working your way over the painful areas. Now, if it's painful right here, you might not be able to tolerate that. You might have to work around it first, and eventually work into this. But you know, you don't want to get things fired up. So if it hurts, you don't want to do it. You know, it should be hurting so good, basically.
You may get in there pretty deep.
Yes, you can really dig in with the thumbs.
Your thumbs should get tired after a couple minutes.
You can also do splaying. So you put your thumbs together and then you pull them apart. This is the one that really worked for my wife really well. Just help pull it apart.
It just feels good anyway.
It does feel good. Now, if you're at work and you're sitting at your desk, you may not be able to do this. And that's why we're giving you some other options. Brad, you want to talk about some of the things you could put below your desk?
Yes. Yes, I do, Bob. You know,
they're right here, Brad.
I know, but I just realized if I...
Oh, use the towel underneath?
Yeah, because if I don't use the towel, the hard floor, sometimes the ball slips around.
Sure.
It depends on the floor. You'll know. I got a ping pong ball that might work. It's a small, but to get a smaller ball, and actually it works pretty good, Bob. I haven't done this before. Yeah, it's smaller, and you're just gonna roll.
I'm a little worried you're gonna crush it.
Yeah, well, yeah, I'm not gonna stand on it. It's nice. That's not bad. Or you know, the golf ball. Obviously,
the golf ball is nice because it's textured, and it's gonna actually give a little bit of more of a. You can also get it to smaller spots with that.
I think this is even smaller.
Is it really?
Yeah. I'm amazed. I haven't done that, but we've got all these different balls, tennis ball, and they all have a different feel to it. And it's going to depend on the size of your foot, the symptoms of your plantar fascia, and just what you can find. Tennis ball is definitely not as aggressive, a little softer.
So this is not a bad thing to do, again, because remember, as you sit, the plantar fascia starts to half heal. Then you stand on it and it breaks open again. And kind of re-injures it. So you want to do this so that's not going to happen. You're going to be ready to stand up. Which one do you have now?
This is a lacrosse ball. So it's very hard, but it's a little bit bigger in diameter. It's not so aggressive, but it's a little more aggressive than the tennis ball. And I really like this one. I was in a store, and at the checkout line they had these little kids toys, and it's like
it actually lights up.
Yeah, and it's a little softer, but this really does feel good on my foot. That little spikes there, and actually this
that what gets in the way on that one.
Yep, but so yeah, it's amazing. You don't have to spend much money to have things like this. It can be really productive.
Right. If you want to spend a little money, we recommend the Renpho Cordless Massager. What's nice about this is it's really easy to use. It's got percussion. So, and these are fairly inexpensive for cordless massagers.
Right. It's a well built, and a
lot of times they have coupons.
Right. The percussion ones seems to be always more expensive, but this is probably the least expensive percussion, and it's built well.
What's nice about this, if you're having problems in other areas, you can use it for that too.
Yes, you know what I mean? Not just for the foot.
Not just for the foot. But it's just, you know, you can sit there and watch TV and with very little effort, go ahead and massage the foot.
You don't know, you do the massage with your thumbs. You're going to get sore thumbs, and this, you know, it's a little easier.
Same thing with this. You're going to work around the painful area first, and then you can try to work into the painful area to see if you can tolerate it. And it may not be able to tolerate it. They come with like 5 different heads you can put on these. So
they come on and off very easily.
So, and then the ultimate massager, Brad. This is again a Renpho massager. Again, we like Renpho. We don't get paid for these, but we like Renpho because they're good machines. that are fairly inexpensive. They
Right.
really get the job done. So we really become a big fan of their brand. And these foot massagers are awesome. I mean,
And these not only massage your foot, but there's compressive components. So if you have some swelling in your feet or ankles, it's going to help get that fluid proximal where it needs to
yeah,
be.
it's been good for neuropathy. A lot of people have said. I mean, I find I don't know if I haven't found anybody that doesn't love it so far, but I'm sure there are people out there. But
Right.
it is a little more expensive. But this is the ultimate thing in that you can put your feet in and you don't have to do anything. I
Right.
mean, so
If you happen to have real sensitive feet or you have any open sores on your skin,
right,
you're
obviously, then you
not
would
going
do
to
it.
get this.
Yeah. All right. Hope that gives you some options.
There you go.